This is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. Today we are continuing on with our prom inspired look. I wanted to do something that's a lot more natural, a lot more toned down from last week's makeup tutorial, and this is what I came up with. We are using the Jaclyn Hill palette to do this look. I think we're using 4 actual shadows and then our Stila liquid shadow to top off this look. If you are curious at all on how I did this, please continue watching. As always, if you're new to my channel, welcome! Please consider subscribing down below. Turn on your notification button so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Every Tuesday, I do makeup and beauty related videos. Every Thursday are family vlogs. And on Sunday, there are bonus videos. And those are a mixture of many things. I could do an extra makeup look. I can do something totally off the wall, like a challenge, whatever. You have to check in to find out. But please stay tuned for this makeup tutorial. Super easy. I promise. Let's go ahead and get started. As always, I did prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I did put my brows on off camera. So let's get started. This is a very super easy look, and I will show it to you. So we are going in with our Jaclyn Hill palette. All right, for our crease color, we are going in with this beautiful color here. It's kind of like a mustardy color. It is pukey, and we are taking our Morphe 441. So I'm just gonna get that color right in there. I'm gonna take that right into circular motions on the outer V. And then I am going into my crease with this color. What an interesting name, right, for this color. And I forgot, I know she had explained why she named this color pukey, but it's not my idea of a pukey color. I'm really trying to keep these prom looks very easy and simple. I'm going for a round outer V. Outer V is just this angle here for those of you guys who are new to makeup. I do want to put that right into the crease area, but I am going to bring it up a little bit. I've already dipped into this color. This is my 5th time. I'm going in with a Sigma fluffy brush, and I'm going in with this beautiful kind of maroon color here called Jax. And I'm only lightly going to do that because first I really want this blown out first, and then we're going to intensify it with the same color. So starting in my outer V again, circular motions. I do want to get that really into my lash line, but we are just having this color very blown out. I do use this same color to intensify the outer V, but not just now. We just want to kind of warm up the entire eyelid. So I try to use all of the color in this outer V, and then whatever's left over, then we're going to put that into the crease area. And I do want to get a lot of color going towards this inner corner, just because when we cut the crease, it'll be more defined. And with the same exact color, I'm going in with this MAC 233. Now we're going to use that same color, and we're going to intensify the outer V, which means I'm just going to put the color right there. And then we're going to blend it out in a little bit, but I just want to place that color. Then I just kind of cleaned off the brush, but I'm not, because I wanted the color to be very light, but I am going to drag it in a little bit. Like I said, we do want to define that crease a little bit so that when it comes time to cutting it, you can really see the cut crease. Now I'm just taking my Morphe 331, and I'm using that just to blend out. There's no color on this brush. I'm just using it to blend out so that there's no harsh lines there. So I'm taking a smaller crease brush, and I'm taking this color here, Chip. And I am just placing that right at the tip of that outer V. I just cleaned off that same brush, and now I'm just going to use it to kind of blend it up, but I really want the color to stay in that outer V. I don't want to push it up. I'm just blending out the edge. So you guys know what color I'm going to put on my brow from the Mix Metals. I'm just taking that color Silky on a flat shader brush. I'm going to use that for my brow bone area. Tapping the most of the color right at the arch of my brow. I'm just going to work it down. Just blend to make sure that there's no harsh lines between that highlight color. We are going to do our cut crease, and today I'm using the Stila in the color Jezebel. Beautiful, beautiful color. I'm not putting any shadow there. Those are the only shadows that we're going to use, plus this liquid shadow. I am just going to cut my crease with this. Now with a small lip pencil, I'm just going to go in like I did on my other look. Just going to use that to kind of sharpen this look, and I am going a tight bit higher. Just going to kind of like draw lines just to help me with the blending process. We're gonna let that dry off. So to help this blend out even more now that it's dry, I'm just gonna go back into chip, intensify it even more, and then I'm just gonna kind of tap and kind of bring it down. Then we're just gonna blend it out to kind of soften that a little bit. Just going back in with my MAC 237 and a little bit of Jax to help this blend out even more. But I absolutely love how this look turned out. What I'm gonna do off camera is I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, eyeliner, the rest of my face, and I will be back to show you guys how to finish up this look. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I have the rest of my face on. If you're wondering what I used Lovejoy as my blush. My lip color, I did go in, can you believe it, with the neutral color with the Fenty Uncuffed. I really think that it complements the eyes. It's not overpowering at all. But let's go ahead and finish up this look. The Makeup Geek chisel brush, I'm going to just take the colors that I used on my lid. I'm going to use Chip first. Do the same thing on the other eye, trying not to get any of it on my waterline. I'm gonna go about midway, and then I'm just gonna add Jax right underneath it just to kind of smoke it out a little bit more. Just want to make sure to attach it to the outer part as well. Take a smaller brush, and I'm just going to mix those together and just make sure there's no harsh lines and attach it to the outside. So finally, I'm just going to take my Stila in the color Topaz, which is just a cream color eyeliner for my waterline. Give off that baby doll appearance. Guys, that is the final look. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. This is our more natural prom look. I hope you enjoyed watching. I really liked how this turned out. You could definitely wear this to a formal. These colors complement maroons, any black colors. I think it would be perfect for prom. As always, God bless you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.